Okay, hi guys. So it's dinner time. I'm cooking some mac and cheese and corn and some sausage. And Carly has a box to open.
It says to Karli Reese.
Karli Reese.
That's my new last name. I want to change it next year. Cool. I'm trying to guess what it is by just looking at the... It's a picture frame, is it?
I don't know.
It is. I'm so smart.
Picture frame?
Oh, the favorite part. Wait, I need to keep this good because I love bubble wrap. There.
You're saving the bubble wrap? Oh my goodness. What do you think it's a picture of?
People. Is that me? Is this? I feel like this is like, I don't know. Oh, it's a box.
Flip it over this way. There
Oh,
you
it's
go.
a box. Oh, it's my plaque.
You had no idea, did you?
I do now.
You're not gonna ruin
I'm
it.
going to keep it in the box.
Ooh.
Mine's prettier than yours.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's it say?
Congratulations for surpassing. Is this involved?
No, take it out.
No.
It's just foam that's protecting it. Beautiful. Isn't that cool? See
Your
it.
face looks weird when you look into it.
Yeah, congratulations. Congratulations, Karli Reese. Beautiful.
We have to save this box.
Putting it in your bedroom? Yeah, I know. I saved my box too. So we have somewhere to pack it away.
Wait, you must repack it in like it's free. But when they open it, there's nothing inside.
Pretty exciting, huh? Did you ever think you would get? Did you ever think you would get 100,000 subscribers on your channel?
Kinda.
You did.
Cause like we already have it on Our Family Nest, so you would think since I'm everyone's
Yeah, but maybe
favorite,
everybody watches Our Family Nest to watch Chase
think that
or me.
You think that I'm everyone's favorite, that they would go subscribe to me.
I don't think you're everyone's favorite.
I'm a star.
Let's have that be question of the day.
Who's your favorite?
Who's your favorite on the channel? Comment below. Carl, Chase, Candy, Ken,
Lori.
Andrew, Blake, or just say the dogs. So, here's our weather. Lovely, lovely Michigan weather. Isn't it just beautiful? Oh, this cold air actually feels really good. It's warm in our house right now. Hopefully this is the last of the snow. What do you think? I mean, it is March. So.
I can't believe that though. Yesterday we just had like a nice summer day, and I had my friend over.
Yeah,
we
you
were all
guys
playing games
on the hoverboard.
and now it's
Snow. I know, it's ridiculous.
I'm gonna go put this at the
Guess what is in 25 days?
spring break.
CBX Live. Yep, spring break. We're gonna finally get to meet
Wait.
our fans.
Then
Although we've met fans, but you know what I mean.
when do we go on our...
Spring break? That's afterwards. We go to Utah first.
Wait, no, our thing.
Oh, that's the summer. That's something else.
What day?
It's in July.
Mom. What's your favorite food?
Favorite food? Either pierogies or lobster bisque.
You.
Are you pouting?
Me?
Yep.
No.
Yep. What are you doing? Get out of my bed. What are you doing? Get out.
Your alarm is still going off from this morning.
No, it doesn't even go on this morning.
Wait. I can't see.
Yes, you can.
These are M&Ms.
Alright.
Woman 1818. That's Chase's code name. It's a lot easier on.
No, don't lift it up because
just
we
wanna-
still need to see it.
Well, I can't see from right here. Ooh, the top moved. Don't pull that one. That was dangerous. Oh, is that one good? What does that mean?
If it's red and it says warning, that means don't grab it because that's...
No.
You're bad.
I was so close.
Alright, let's play something else.
That would be a good idea.
What?
If like you... Ooh, I could play you in Agario.
You don't play anybody in the car.
Yeah, you can. But I need to download it. Because you can join the game.
No, you can't.
Enter in a code. Her grandma said her grandma's so cool. Fun fact. Me and Tori have the same middle name.
Karli.
Yep.
Here. Chase.
Chase, what's your middle name?
Reese.
Oh, that's your last name.
No, that's my middle name.
That's my middle name. Hey! Chase,
Now you come follow me.
now you get to be stuck like this.
Alright, now come follow me.
Besides the cameraman.
Did you know that mom's gonna see this?
Huh?
Did you know that mom's gonna see this?
I know.
What?
I'm putting the PlayStation 3 down here too.
Ooh.
But I need to
What
get
did you put back here? Cheez-Its?
Hey, no!
Okay, guys. So as you can tell, I'm working out right now. Here, put you guys down here. Then you have to look at my legs. So, guys, I'm mini doing this. You can see Chase in the background being an idiot. Doing what? I'll put you guys on top of the dollhouse. You'll see me every time that I go up. Whee! You could still see Chase in the background. Chase, did you know that if you keep your legs straight, it's so much more fun? We have so much stuff in this basement, guys. You have no idea. Chase, who's your favorite singer? I bet you could guess who it is. Fetty Wap.
He's not a singer.
He's a rapper. Oh geez, why is it going so fast? I didn't make it do this. You don't even know who my favorite singer is.
Beyonce.
Darn it, how did you know? What's my favorite song?
Beyonce.
It's by her, but
I don't know.
it's either by Rihanna or her.
Give me a hint, stupid.
It starts with the W.
Whatever.
No.
What now?
No, that's a song by Rihanna.
Huh?
We don't. I'm practicing my model walk. I'm going to be on the red carpet.
Why is your background so stupid?
Of what? Oh, it went right in my hand. No, we gotta make it go faster. That's cool. The tennis ball's running. You can do it. This is fast. So bye, that's it for today. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up this video. And the question of the day is, who's your favorite? Say me, or I'm done making videos every day. So now I'm going to go take a bath because I'm not feeling the best again. Please don't tell me it's coming back.
Pippa! What are you doing?
Pippa Piper.
Nobody invited you out here.
She just goes over there and she just sits on that couch the whole entire time.
You're a bad girl. Yeah, you're a bad girl.
Let's zoom into her.
Give her kisses.
Why are you over here,
Pippa,
cute puppy?
give Tori kisses. Give her kisses.
The war between. Oh, you making the couch. You want to give the favor and like the camera? She liked the screen. Pippa, you want to lick the screen? Oh, there it is. There's the kissies.